What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work again with the Mitsubishi Eclipse. As you guys heard, today we're working with the Mitsubishi Eclipse, and of course we are parked on the streets. And as you guys know, we have no shop anymore. Anyway, on the last Eclipse video we dropped this thing and we were having a couple issues. Today we're gonna try to pull the AEM ECU and hopefully we can figure out. So we went ahead and actually mount the ECU. I have the ECU with the USB right here coming into the computer on the laptop, and let me switch to the screen. So here we have Manny's base map. Got me a couple hours to try to figure out, and we're still trying to figure things out. Right now I set up all the setup, which I have everything set up right now over here, and I'm trying to mesh with the outputs. So as now it seems like we actually have fuel pressure right now, which is good, and I have it set up right here. But the only thing that I think we don't have is spark, so we're trying to figure out the ignition. So right now we're gonna start making some tests to see what we can do. So we went to the auto park real quick and grabbed this inline park spark tester, and what we're trying to do is just to see if we have spark, because we're trying to start up the car. Probably have to make some adjustments I have to do to the tune on it, but let's try it out. Okay, so let's take a look. I have over here, I'm gonna see how this thing looks. It looks a little weird, but let's see what we can do. Probably this is the issue that I have right here. You guys can see it right here. Everything's the same thing, and it shouldn't be like that. Again. Let me see. Go. No, right?
No spark.
No spark. Okay.
No spark.
All right. So right now I need to figure out this. You guys saw that right there. So I need to figure out this. Let me take a look, make a couple changes and try again. Okay, so I know where I'm having problems right now. What? I know where I'm having the problem. Look at this. Over here it's telling me on which teeth is actually everything acting up. So when I put the initial on, everything changed to this. So right now all the injectors should be open at once, but look how the fire and lock looks. But when I tried to start it, nothing changed. So that probably makes me think that it's a problem with the firing issue. Probably like crank cam, that deal, you know. So I went ahead and made a couple changes. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think we are defeated today, but we're gonna try one more time to see what happens. And if not, I guess we're gonna need our help. We're gonna need your help.
I'm not sure. Fuel pump is on. You can hear it, right?
Yeah. That's okay. We still want to start. We have to figure out the injector and ignition phasing and So obviously it's a little more complicated because we haven't had the chance to find out what is the correct trigger for the crank and the cam sensor. So that's actually what is acting up right now and we can't figure out. So well, I guess this is gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. We tried to figure out the ECU, the EMS-4, and obviously we've been defeated. Before I did this video, I spent at least, I have over 8 hours of research trying to figure things out, and we got the fuel pump running, which is the first step, but doesn't seem that we can figure out how to link or sync the crank and the can with the ECU. Doing research, it seems like our crank wheel, it has about 12 teeth and it's actually 4 cycles per teeth. So I mean, it's too much information, too much math. I suck at math, but at this point we need your help. I mean, if you guys know or any of you have actually used this ECU with the same application, let us know. If not, then I don't know. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a like and also subscribe. Share with your friend that we have boosted Eclipse in the works. So you guys have a nice day, and Manny,
Peace.
God bless you all.